I'm Dave with LED Lighting Supply. In this video we're talking about the HPSL 400. So that's the high performance stadium light. It's a 400 watt. It's used in a ton of applications, whether it be stadium, industrial, security lighting. We'll go over all the features, benefits, and we'll unbox this unit. Alright, so this is the HPSL 400, and as you can see, it comes out of the box, not attached to the driver. So this is just the module here. We made a separate video that we'll link below that has how to assemble this, but essentially you have the driver and the module separate. Also, other accessories, the visor. We do recommend the visor on this fixture, and it just bolts on with 4 screws. Really simple install for that. But like I was saying, this just comes detached. That's just the way we package it. We also do sell a remote mount driver option where it comes with a cord, so you can mount the fixture and the driver about 100 meters away, I think is our maximum right now. And then additionally we have this laser pointer device that bolts onto the top here, so that you can aim this where you need to put the light. So if you're doing a lighting layout, typically we advise you buy one of these with the fixture so that you can get all your lights set up and angled correctly for your project. So this is very high output fixture. We do a lot of lighting plans with these, do a lot of baseball fields, football fields with this fixture. Very high quality. You have different optics that we can pick and choose depending on what the plan tells us to do. All the hardware is included. If you think this is the right fixture for your project, feel free to reach out to us. We can point you in the right direction, run a lighting plan if needed, or recommend something different.